Welcome to Dr. Veda YouTube channel. Medicinal values of onion. Dr. Veda. Onions are a versatile vegetable that is commonly used in cooking for its distinct flavor and aroma. However, onions also boast numerous medicinal values that make them more than just a tasty ingredient. Onions are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the body against damage from harmful free radicals. They also contain anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis. Additionally, onions have been shown to have antimicrobial properties, meaning they can help fight off bacteria and viruses. Furthermore, onions are a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and potassium. While adding onions to your diet can offer many health benefits, it's worth noting that a lack of onion in food may cause some adverse effects. Onions contain certain compounds that have been linked to various health benefits, so omitting them from your meals could mean missing out on these potential advantages. Additionally, onions contribute flavor and texture to dishes, so eliminating them from recipes may result in less enjoyable culinary experiences. However, it's important to note that not everyone enjoys the taste or smell of onions, and some individuals may have allergies or sensitivities to this vegetable. As with any dietary choice, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice regarding your specific needs and preferences.